Okay. Uh, Good evening, everyone. I hope you are all doing good. Great to be here and starting this session. So, my name is Syed Shabir Ahmad, and I am a PMRF scholar from IIT Madras, and I am doing my PhD currently, in the Department of Applied Mechanics and Biomedical Engineering here in IIT Madras. And I'll be the TA who will be conducting this problem solving sessions during this course, which is on programming data structures and algorithms using Python. So, as you know, this course is uh, uh, brought to you by Professor Madhavan Mukund of Chennai Mathematical Institute and along with Swayam and NPTEL. So, I hope you have gone through the um, lectures which were released. I think week 1 and week 2 lectures have been released, and hope you had a great time watching them and understanding and learning the various aspects, introductory aspects related to Python. So, and like as you all know, we have a portal to these questions, and like there is a discussion forum. I'll uh, just share the other screen and I'll show you. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. Uh,
Sir, not audible.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So lot of people want to join the meetings. Actually, my Google Meet has limit only up to 100 participants, and I don't know, like this has been restricted. I haven't, because this is a workspace account, and I had more limit. But yeah, I'll just try to sort it out next week, and see if we can switch to other platform, which will be notified to you, like which can accommodate uh, large number of people than what we have now. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Oh, uh, Ritanya, you can always get the recorded videos. The videos are also available on YouTube. You can go and watch those videos whenever you want. Even after the course is completed, like you can go and access. Then these are free. Teaching material is free only for the exam, which you take at the end of the course. If you want to take, for that you have to pay. Otherwise, the teaching material is like freely available. Uh, all the videos and are readily available. You can just go and use them. So there is no problem in that way. So, yeah. So I hope you can see the screen now. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Great. Yeah. Okay. So this is your Swayam portal. If you want to go and access your courses, like whatever you have registered for, uh, you can go here, and this is the course, programming data structures and algorithms using Python. And you can see there is a exam registration window, which is open. Like if you want to take the exam for the course till February 13th, uh, they have put the deadline. Like if you want to take the exam for the course and get a certificate from NPTEL. So probably some of you might can also use this as a MOOC. Like if your college prescribes taking MOOCs, uh, massive online open courses, something like that. Like you have to take some course, online course, and you have to get certified and submit the certificate for which you will get the grade. So some people might be doing that. So this is the course page, and after logging in here, like you can check out about the course. uh, First, if you go to week 1, there will be all the lectures here. Like you can see, this is the first lecture, and second lecture, third lecture, and the fourth lecture. And there is also a quiz which we have to take, and which will be which I think the deadline is next week. Very simple quiz for the first week that you can take. I think there is like a system for grading. Like if you are taking the course, the exam, like these quizzes will also be counted. There is some ratio. You just check it out, like best of something like that. So you can check. So these are the quizzes. Like you have to enter the answer as prescribed, and then you will submit the answers, and based upon that you'll be graded. And if you want to like use the transcripts means like whatever the professor is teaching, uh, all the like word by word, whatever uh, has been taught in the class, like in various languages, like whatever the language which is of interest to you has been translated. This course has been translated and uploaded here. So you can check. Yes, yes. Uh, Yeah, so this is the lecture. These are all the lectures transcripts. Google Drive is shared with you. Uh, you can just click and you can see that this like whatever the professor is teaching, all the things like it is written. Like if you are someone who likes reading more than watching videos, like you can just go through it and learn whenever it is possible for you. And like there are also time given, like in the video you can go and check the slide. Okay, so these are the text transcripts. Okay, and if you want to download the videos also, like you can see someone asked me, right, like there is an option, like you can click here like mp4 videos, and you can go and like if you click here download now, like you can go and download the videos also. I would suggest you can just watch them online, because like these are already available. Like you don't need to, like if you have a constant net connectivity, like you can just go online and watch them. I'll show you another thing also. So this is the week 1, and in week 1, whatever the lecture has been slides have been used, those are also uploaded. Like you can click on the lecture material. If you click, you go to the again Google Drive file. So there are like 4 different lectures, right? For 4 different lectures, there are 4 different PDFs available, like week 1 lecture 1. So you click on that, like you can access this PDF files also, like the presentations which have been used in the class. So you can download them and store them if you want. So this is about the things. Like there are also books. There is a book for this course which is here, like in various languages again. I think it has all that uh, transcripts and the material which has been taught in the class. Like you can see, this is the book, English book, in which there is like all the topics which have been taught in the class. So this is just a transcript with also the slides present. So like if you are again, if someone who wants to read more than watching videos, like who likes watching uh, like reading the book or like some material instead of watching a videos, like you can check this out. Of course there might be uh, less interactive stuff, like that you will miss out if you are just reading. Like video has a lot more interactive stuff going on. But yeah, this is also a thing, you can use it for your own benefit. Like there are as you can see, lot of different languages: Gujarati, Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, and Marathi. So you can use that. And whatever we discuss in the problem solving sessions, like whatever, if I use something like programs, or like some, if I write something and for explaining purpose, uh, that also will be uploaded in this. Like you can click here and yeah, how to make an assignment and submit it. So if you just have to go here, you can see the week 1 quiz, and you click on the week 1 quiz. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
so the last week they assigned one programming assignment. I don't know how to submit those assignments. Can you please tell me?
Where is the programming assignment for the second week?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, first week, can you give a hint how to solve and how to just one question or something like that? This question string and all those things, no list.
Yeah. I'll just go through it. I'll just because we have a lot of time. We have time till 9 p.m. I'm just introducing whatever the things, resources which we have. Then we'll go to the assignment at the end of this lecture. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, towards the end. Okay, so in the second week, week 2 quiz, there is a programming assignment, right? Quiz 2. Uh,
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Uh,
If I completing the assignment of any week, so we getting the certificate or not?
if you are completing the assignments, you won't get the certificate. If you give the final exam by paying, I think there is a nominal fee of 1,000 rupees. Like you have to pay and register for the exam, and at the end, like after the course, after 2 months, like this is a 8 week course, there will be exam like which will be conducted in nearby centers. Like you can choose the center whichever you want. Like nearby city, you can go and give the exam. So it will be a computer based exam. And after you give that exam, like you will be certificated and you will get a certificate. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So
Just
from that certificate, for what we get the benefits in our college? Any credit?
see, when I was in my college, like when I was doing my BTech, so we had this concept of MOOCs. Like in our third and fourth year, we had to take at least four online courses. Okay, so online courses, you have to take some courses like either from NPTEL or like some other sites like there is Coursera or like something else. You have to take those online courses, and after completing the online course, giving the exam, like you will get a certificate that you have to give it to the college. Based upon that, you will be given credits. So I don't know if your college has that, but this is always like this is a good certificate to have, like NPTEL certificates. Like you can put it in your LinkedIn that you are certified in Python, or like you resume also you can keep that you are certified in this course. So
Okay, thank
you
you.
can use between one. Okay, this is the second assignment.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, this course will cover the entire Python advanced also.
This course depends upon like what you are like Python has lot of things. Okay, but this course is like you can say like it will cover things which you are going to use in your field, like wherever you are. Like it will cover from basics, like maybe a little bit advanced, but not like very advanced. This is not a very advanced course.
Okay.
Yeah, I can say this is a basic course only. But like if you learn all the concepts which are in this course, like from the first to the 8th week, you will be very good uh, in coding in Python, and other things like you can learn on the go, like on the fly, like whatever. If you are working on something, like if you are a data scientist or someone who is doing coding for web design or something else, there will be a lot of other things which you have to learn. That those are easy to learn because like you just have to go to uh, the libraries. Like let's say if you are a data scientist uh, or someone who is learning on machine learning, there are like a lot of libraries like pandas or some other libraries which you can directly go to their documentation and read and implement. Otherwise, like there is always nowadays, like AI is like very helpful. You don't need to read all that stuff. You can just use some AI tool like ChatGPT or something else to like learn that. But there are also like upside and downside of that. Like you can't just, like if you are someone just starting out, you can't just go and ask ChatGPT to write the code. Like as you can see, the assignments which are here are like very easy. Okay, like if you just take a screenshot of this assignment, like the question, if you just ask ChatGPT, it can give you an answer. But I would like always say, like you just don't use ChatGPT. Like this should be or ChatGPT or some other thing to get the answer. Probably you can ask it to make you understand the question in a simple way. But whenever you are starting out, you should not resort to this. Um AI tools. You just try to learn whatever is being taught in the class, right? Try to write your own code, and then based on that, like if you are learning, if you are making mistakes, then only you will learn. Like you will remember the errors, then only you will learn. So nowadays there is this concept called vibe coding. So like people just like the people, like a lot of influencers and stuff, what they are promoting is like, you don't need to learn coding in this world. The world has moved a lot ahead. Like you just need ChatGPT and AI tools, and you just need to be proficient in English to explain it to the AI that you want this things. You want to make this website clearly. Whatever the instructions, you need to explain to the AI clearly what you want. That is called prompt engineering. Like it is being said that, like, yeah, if you are someone who can give proper prompts with proper instructions, uh, then it is enough. That is what it is being. The narrative has been that narrative is being spread nowadays. But don't fall for it. Like if you want to be someone who wants to work, like if like I can say, like in every field there is coding. Like if you go deep enough. So I'm a civil or a mechanical engineer. So I use Python or like some other programming language or coding to solve like problems which we cannot solve by hand. So computer makes it easy for us to solve. So if I am someone just going to the AI tool and just saying I want these things and please give me the required code, you can just ask the AI. It will give you a code, a beautiful code, which will look very good, and it will be a like very long code, and you will take it and deploy it like you can run it. But if something goes wrong, yeah. This video will be shared by you, like shared with you. Like I am recording this session, and in the problem solving session here, if you click and go, there you will give a problem solving session recording. Like you will get the link of the video. Like it will be uploaded on YouTube, and you will get the link. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
Sir, in week 2, programming assignments are there. Should we submit that too?
Programming assignment, I don't consider the following Python code. Which of the following is correct? You just have this. These are just questions, right? Like you just have to enter the answer here. Where is the
Yes, sir.
program?
Quiz is fine, but programming
Okay. Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. In the submission window, your function will be called and automatically with input and with return value specified. Read input.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
Is there any deadline to complete the assignments?
You can see here, right? This assignment is due on 5th of February 2026, 23:59. Okay. I don't think there are
Sir,
considered.
both assignments we have to submit on 4th Feb.
Yeah. 5th Feb is the deadline. Week 1 assignment, week 1 quiz is due on 4th Feb, and week 2 quiz is due on
5th Feb.
5th Feb. Yeah.
So only quiz is fine, no, sir? Don't need this programming assignments? Is it not that
No.
important?
No. You have to submit both, because it is written here that you have to. Because this will be used for grading. I would say, like, even if you are like, don't worry about it. Like you can see here how to submit this assignment. Somebody asked me, right? Like you have to go here, select the language for this assignment, and click here Python 3, and you just write whatever the programs which you are writing, which have been asked here. So whatever the question, and you just have to click the submission is, yeah, you just have to save as draft or like compile and run and submit. So these options are there. So instructions are already given. So please follow those instructions. So if like uh, you just try doing this assignment. Otherwise, like if you are not
Yes, sir.
yeah.
What effect does completing a course have on LinkedIn and my resume?
Because it's a Python course. Like if you are like someone who wants to go in, let's say IT sector or like some other place which requires coding, like it will be a credential, right? Like that Python, like, and you have been certified in this course. So it depends on the place which you are going. So if you are just starting out as an early professional, you can say that I have the experience of coding in Python and I have certified. I've been certified in this course, and you can just show that you have this certificate. You can also like there is an option to include certifications in LinkedIn. You can go and include this certification as well. So I have done like 2 or 3 courses, like whatever I have done, like I have put it on my LinkedIn. So there the certificate will be visible. Like if someone clicks the cert on that link, they can directly go and see the certificate which is issued by NPTEL. Okay. So this assignment, the programming assignment, you just try to do it. If you have any doubts, next week we'll have a session on Tuesday, which is on 3rd February. I'll clarify again, like whatever doubts which you have again there, because this week is supposed to be the session for first week, and then for whatever the lectures which have been taught in week 2, for that the session will be conducted on 3rd February, like which much more detail and emphasis is on the assignment or the quiz 2 programming or the programming assignment, week 2 programming assignment. So like here is the window where you have to click and write. Yeah. I'll do that. I'm just trying to uh, take you through all the resources which are present. So this is the portal, and there are also, this is if you go to the website and see here, there is a Q&A link here. Like you can click on the Q&A and it will take you to a Google group discussion forum. So you can see a lot of people have already joined, and they are asking course related questions. So this also you can use it for your benefit. So I would suggest, like if you are having any doubts or something which you want to ask to the course related stuff to your peers or also to the professor, you can just join this forum, and you can post your questions. Otherwise, like you can always join this session, which will be conducted weekly once on Tuesday from 7 to 9 p.m. You can join the session and you can ask your course related questions here. Okay. And what else we have? Yeah, these are all the logistics of the course, and like if one more way to if you want to access the course videos is directly you can search on Python data structures NPTEL. If you search, So you can see that there is a playlist available on YouTube. So this playlist will be always available. Like whenever you want, like if you want to learn, you can just go to this playlist. So in the playlist, all the lectures
Welcome to
from
the first lecture.
first week to the 8th week are uploaded. Although on the website, week 3, week 4, week 5 will be uploaded like in each week. But these lectures are already recorded like a long time ago, and the course is being rerun again. So these are all the recorded lectures of the course which are available on YouTube. Like you can go and click and watch these videos. Like so no need to download, or if you want to download, you can also download it on YouTube. So this option is also there. So and yeah, all the weeks we can see this stuff. Yeah. And what else we have? Text transcript. Yeah. Just
Sir, excuse me, sir.
yes.
Once again, can you show where we have to type and combine?
Yeah. So if you go to the week 2 programming assignment, after the questions, after the question 3, there you can see here, select the language for this assignment. It's given, and if you click this drop down menu, you can see the Python 3 option. If you click on this, there is a window which is being opened. You can write here like whatever you want, like whatever the code you want to write. Let's say 5 plus 3, something like that. Can click and you can say compile and run. You can, yeah. If you compile and run, then you can say compilation passed, and whatever is there, the output, expected output should have to be like, these things have to be like I have just written some random code, but for your case, like whatever you are writing, you should write the functions accordingly that all the test cases have to be passed. Okay. So if all the test cases have to be passed, like here, whatever I'm doing here, because like the code which I've written is wrong. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So
Hello, sir.
yes.
To get great marks, do we need to study extra?
Obviously, yeah.
Or is it enough to just watch video and do assignment?
It is enough. It is enough to watch the videos and like whatever is being taught in the assignments, and do the assignments. Like if you do the assignments on your own, like without like taking someone's help, it will be enough for you to get good marks. Yeah.
Sir, when this course is started?
It has already been started, right? Last week it has been started. I think 19th of January it started, and the lectures for week 1 and week 2 are uploaded. So, and there are also two assignments per week have been uploaded. One assignment per each week has been uploaded. Week 1 quiz, week 2 quiz, and there is also a programming assignment for week 2. So, and the deadline is, as has been said, for week 1 quiz it is 4th of Feb, and for week 2 quiz it is 5th of Feb. So
there is 14 days of backlog.
What? Can you say it again?
14 days videos backlog, sir.
You have a backlog of 14 days, 14 videos. You haven't watched anything till now?
Okay, sir.
No, I'm just asking you, Yatharth.
Yes, sir.
You haven't watched any videos. That's what you are saying?
No, sir.
What did you say? Backlog something? I didn't understand.
I am not aware that the video is uploaded, so my backlog is generated from 19 to at that day.
Okay. It's okay. Like if you haven't watched the videos, it's fine. Like now you can watch. These are not like very long videos. The first 2 weeks are like very simple. Each video is again, I think, about 20 minutes of time. So you can watch them. It will take hardly 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours for you to watch. So that's not a big issue.
Okay, sir, I got it. Thank
Yeah,
you.
week 1 there are 4 lectures, and week 2 I think there are 4 lectures. No issues. Like no need to take any pressure.
Excuse
Very
me.
easy. Yes.
Sir, when we compile and run, they will check the result also or only answer? Because the
Yeah.
solution
Hmm.
we have to type in that empty space.
Yeah.
Python 3,
Yeah.
we have to select and type the code, right?
Yeah. You have to type the code, and you have to type the code in such a way that all the test cases have to be satisfied here. Like whatever these test cases are there, all these have to be satisfied. Like if your code is like solving only, let's say, 5 out of 11 test cases, you will be I think accorded the marks accordingly. Like if you pass 11 out of 11 courses, you will get like all the marks which are needed. Yeah.
And every sum we have to do like that only. Or if it is only answer is very
Answer is very
objective type, or because week 1 assignments
hmm.
it was an objective type also, sir. I couldn't find this space in each and every problem.
Here no. Here you have to write the entire code. Like
Okay. All the problems code one by one we have to enter.
yeah. You have to write. Yeah.
And only.
Yeah. I'll just I haven't seen this, but I'll just read this whatever the instructions are there.
One problem and show it will be useful, sir.
See here, it is written, write 3 Python functions as specified below. Like for each question, there you have to write one function. Okay.
Yes.
And paste the text for all the 3 functions together in the submission window. So you have to paste all the 3 functions once. Okay. So what I would suggest is, like, you write your code in some other text editor, like you can use Notepad. You write the function there, like all the 3 functions there, and then you then you paste the function here in this window, and then you can run it. That will be a easy way to do. Okay,
sir. Okay,
yeah.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So, like, if we register a course in this semester and did not take the final exam,
Yeah.
Will we have the chance to write like to attempt the exam in another semester?
Yeah. You can attempt. It's not a problem. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
But again, like whenever you register the course for, like, let's say for next semester, you have to give the assignments actually again.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Like if you don't want the like if you don't want to watch the lectures, that's fine. Like nobody is asking you like if you are watching the lectures or not watching, but you have to complete the assignments. That's what.
Okay, sir.
So video is in pure in English or English?
These videos are in English. Yeah. So you have to be like, if you want to learn in Hindi, like you can just go through this transcripts. Text transcripts are there. Like these will be helpful for you. Like if you are like someone, if you want to learn in Hindi, you can click here. There is also a book, as I showed you, right? Course book, like you can access on the portal.
So this
Sir,
this Hindi is difficult for me. I asking for English. What's the
English? No. The course has been recorded in English. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. That's helpful me. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, is this lecture recorded or is this video recorded?
Yeah, this video is being recorded and it will be uploaded, and the link will be given to you. You can access Hello.
Yes, sir, I also
For
have
that
the same
question,
doubt.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah. There was a brief disconnectivity. Can you tell? Uh,
Sir, I
Sir,
also have
if
the same doubt. If anyone is learning, if anyone is starting this course from scratch, the programming of Python, will it be
mm.
easier for him to do?
Yeah. It is a very easy course. Like even a school kid can understand whatever is being taught in his class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
thank you.
Lina, what you wanted to ask?
Sir, I
Uh,
was also asking the same question
yeah. It is a
because
very beginner friendly course. No need to worry. Yeah. Please. You ask.
sir,
Uh,
Sir,
I don't have any idea about Python. So quiz and assignments are those will be easier for me.
yeah. It will be easier for you. Don't take stress. These will be easier. Like very easy. Like if you watch the videos, you can solve the assignments.
sir,
No need to worry about.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
do
Yeah.
assignment
Aryan.
marks do assignment marks depend on how many attempts we make or just completing the assignment?
No. It depends on how completing the assignment. Like it doesn't depend on the attempts. Like you don't need to give the first right answer at first shot. Okay.
So when will the recordings of problem solving sessions will get uploaded?
This recording, like whatever the session, it will be by today, midnight. This will be uploaded. Like I will try to upload it as soon as possible. So by midnight, this will be available to you. You can click on the link and you can access it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anybody deadline?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
So, what will be the exam pattern in the CBD mode?
In the CBD mode, this will be exactly like how the assignments are. So there will be some objective questions which you have to select the correct option. There will be some questions in which you have to enter some numerical value, and there will be obviously some programming related questions, like as I have shown, right? Week 2 programming assignment is there, so that is also there. So these kind of questions will also be there. So that's what the pattern of the exam will be. So there will be, as I said, there will be a few test cases. So you just have to write the functions which are being asked. Okay. So those
Okay, sir.
functions will be run by these test cases, like using the input. So this will take the input like 1024, 1436, and based on that, it will evaluate your answer, and you'll be graded.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Can PYQ help and how to get them?
PYQ?
Just last year question or etc.
Oh, okay. You want previous year questions? No, I don't think there are any previous year's questions readily available. You just have to go through this quizzes which are present here. I think they might upload it at the end of the course. There will be a what you can say sample exam kind of a thing. Maybe I don't know. I have to confirm it once from the NPTEL team. So based on that, but don't worry. Like you don't need any previous year questions. If you are someone who has done the assignments, and after after the deadline is completed, you will also be graded on these assignments, right? Like you can also see the solutions also, like after the window is completed, the solutions will also be uploaded, so you can just refer to these assignments and the videos. That will be enough for you to give the exam. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah. Yeah.
how do we practice? Only assignment?
Yeah, you have to practice. Like let's say you just take the assignment and do it on your own. Try to do it on your own. Obviously you will make a lot of mistakes. At the end of the day, you will learn how to write the program correctly. Okay. And if you want like some additional material, there are some which there are some like books or something which have been suggested by professor in the week 1 lecture 1. So a lot of resources are available online. Like if you want to do more than what is required for the course, and you want to like hone your programming skills, then you can go to this I think week 4 lecture, week 1 lecture 4. At the end, there are some resources for you. You can take a screenshot of this, or like you can search it on the internet. So these are some books. Like these are free books which are available. Dive into Python 3 and think Python. So very helpful books, and also you can go through Python tutorial which is uploaded on the official Python site, so you can use it as well. So that is also a way to, yeah. Aditya, Sarin, what are you asking? Yeah, Ashish.
Sir, I want to ask if I miss some assignments, then I will uh, able to take certificate test.
No, like there are also some marks for the assignments in the final grade which you get. Okay, I think the split is I think 70-30 or 60-40. I don't know. So final exam is 60, and assignments combined
No, sir,
assignment
40%, I think.
40. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So like I think you can like in I think they take, I think this is a 8-week course, right? Like maybe they will take 8 best of 6 or something like that. So I think if you miss 1 or 2, it will be fine, but more than that you should not miss.
Sir,
Yeah.
is there any deadline date for
Hi,
assignment?
sir. Sir, in this week too.
Yeah, there is a deadline for assignment which is on 4th of February for week 1 and 5th of February for week 2.
Then, sir, if I will start the course now, how could I do the assignments? I think I have already missed week 1 assignment.
No. Week 1 assignment, the deadline is 4th of February. Okay. You have still like 1 week more, so you can complete the assignment. So and also the videos are not like very lengthy. So like you can just watch the videos in week 1 videos in 2 hours. So it's not it will not be a problem for you. Like don't take stress. Like it is a very easy course material which has been done.
What is
Yeah.
what is the deadline for week 2 programming assignment?
5th of February. Next week, 5th of February is the assignment.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, sir.
Yeah. So people are like asking same type of questions, but I will suggest you, like if you have any doubts, you just go to the website. So because this is the first lecture, this is the first session, I am trying to like tell you about the logistics and the resources of the course. You just go to Swayam and go to the course Programming Data Structures and Python. And in this, there is a course outline on the left side, as you can see. In the course outline, there are week 1 introduction, which is like lectures uploaded. You can click on watch those lectures, or you can, if you want to attempt the week 1 quiz, you can click on the quiz week 1, and there you can see the date is given 4th of February 2026 to 11:59 p.m. So week 1, this is the week 1 quiz, and week 2 is also uploaded. Week 2 quiz is there, and along with that there is also a programming assignment which you have to submit. So okay, and on Friday again week 3 will be uploaded. You will have again time deadline for that. Like you can just go on the quiz and you can see in red font, you can see due date for the assignment. So you just have to go through the instructions properly on the assignment on the course landing page. Okay. Yes, please. Someone wanted to ask a question.
Sir, I want to ask, can you give one hint of how to solve this assignment? Just one question, how we have to do, how, because I couldn't, after seeing the videos also, I'm not getting an idea how to solve this
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, in this week 2 programming assignment, we have to submit the programs one by one, or else we submit all the 3 programs, sir.
You have to submit, Manisha, you have to write all the functions for all the like there have been 3 questions asked, right? For 3 questions you have to write 3 functions, okay? And all those 3 functions you have to submit at once.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So somebody was asking me for Hansraj, you were asking how to solve the question. So let's say I'll just explain to you what this question is doing, like week 1, quiz 1. So what does f of this number return for the following function definition? Okay. So we are defining a function in which there is something like some lines of code are being written here. And let's say if you are putting 27182818 in this function, what will your output be? Okay. So here what it does is, like, you take x, like if your x is, let's say, 27182818, you have to substitute it here, and you have to do this, like divide x by 2, and like d is initially 0, okay? D is initially 0, and then you add 1, and then from like after storing this value, again you have to go take x by 2 value, which is like being stored in x again here, and d plus 1 in d, and like this we will run a loop. This will go on till as x is greater than 1, okay? I'll just go from this, and I'll just share my screen here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is your function definition of function of x. D is equals to 0 while x is greater than 1. X comma d is equals to x by 2 plus d plus 1, and you have to return d here. Okay, so this is how we define the function in Python. And after you define the function, like if you want to use this function, you will call the function. Okay, so you can write here, like if you want to call this function, in the place of x, you just have to put some value. So here the value for which you have to run the function has been given, that is 27182818. Okay, this is the value. So what this function does is, it takes this x value. First, d is given 0, and it takes the x value, which is 27182818 divided by 2, and initially the value of d is given 0 plus 1. Okay, so after doing this operation, you will get new x and d values. Okay, something you will get 1 comma, and d, the new d value is 1. So let's say this is 1xx, something like this, and the new d value is 1. Then again if you see the new x value is greater than 1, then again you have to run this again. So the new x value again, you have to run this code again. Yeah. So now whatever the value you got now, again you will divide it by 2. And again, the updated d value is d. Again, you have to do +1, and you will get again some new value. Like this loop will be going on till your value of x goes below 0, goes below 1. As long as x is greater than 1, this loop will run. Okay. I'm just explaining what the program is doing here, but you should not do it by hand. It will take you a lot of time. You have to copy this function and you have to run it on Python. Okay, I'll just explain to you how to run. And somebody was asking a lot of questions. Sri Bhavana, the questions, like the assignment answers, will be released, like whatever the grading will be done after the submission window gets over. Then you will get to know what is the right answer and what is not. Okay. After 5th of February, you will get it. Yeah, Varun Krishna no, like you should not share your assignment answers here. We should not be sharing your answers to anyone. Like, let the people solve on their own and come back again next week on 3rd. We can like discuss in great detail how to solve week 2 questions, like if there are any doubts. Okay, so the like the easiest way, like I'll just the easiest way to like if you don't have Python currently on your systems, I would suggest you most of the people, like I would suggest you go to this website called Anaconda. Okay, so Anaconda is a distribution which will help you install Python and everything. You can see, if you go to anaconda.com, you can see here, you can see the link here. It is given free download. Here you can download or you just or you can also use Miniconda. Like you can just log in and download. Let's say I'm just using so you can see here Anaconda distribution, Windows 64-bit graphical installer is there. Like you can click on this and you can download. So it will be downloaded, and after downloading it, you have to like install it. I hope you all know how to install it. I won't do it. So after you install it, you can go through your start menu and you can see that there is, if you click on like, because already Anaconda is installed on the computer. Yeah.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
My screen is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry. I will share the screen. Yeah. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah. I hope it is visible now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay.
I wanted to ask
Yeah.
that we have to download the particular 3.50 version of Python. Is it really necessary? I can download it in my system as it is not showing. Can I download the older version?
Like whatever there is a like I would suggest you should like you just download whatever the latest version is available. That will be very helpful. Like you, yeah. See, I would suggest you go like this is the best thing I can suggest you. Install Anaconda. So this is a website. Okay, Anaconda is a distribution. So I will tell you what is a distribution. So if you go on Google and you just search Anaconda, and you can see here anaconda.com. So this is a link you can click on download Anaconda distribution, and you can like this is a free thing, like you don't need to pay anything or something because Python is a and you have to log in. Like after logging in you can see you can choose your download. Like if you are a Windows user you can use this. There is also Miniconda is like you can use both, but I would suggest like use Anaconda. It will have lot more facilities. That's what I will say. So if you are a Mac user or if you are a Linux user, you can download it. Like after downloading it, okay, you can go here. I should okay. One second. Entire screen I will share. Yeah. Okay. So I hope you are able to hello. I'm audible? Yeah. Can you see this? Can you see the screen? Yeah,
Yes,
now
sir.
it is visible. Like, yeah. So after installing Anaconda, like after downloading the executable file and installing Anaconda, you can see here. Uh, you can see here, like in the start menu, you can go and search Anaconda. You can see this app called Anaconda Navigator. Okay. You click on this app. I'll just come to all of you who are raising hands. Please wait. Okay. I just want to disturb this. It's opening. Just wait for a second. And one more easy way to learn, one more easy way to just code in Python is there is something called Google Colab. Okay. If you go to Google and you just search Google Colab notebook. Okay. Google Colab notebook. Anaconda is opening. Okay. So if you click here on Google Colab, like this is a way I am giving you. Okay. So here you can see this will open a window like this. You click here, new notebook. Okay. Click new notebook. They're all, yeah. Here you can see this is a online resource where you can use you can use to learn Python. This you can use Google Colab. Like you don't need to install Python on your computer. You can use directly here, like Python week-1. Like you can name the file and you can also save those files. Yeah. So whatever the code is there here, right? So this is the code. I'll just copy this code and I'll paste it here. Okay. And I'll run this. Okay. The function, I have to first run the function. It will be saved. Yeah. And then I can like write, I can like generate a new cell, or like you can also use the same cell. So I will call the function now, and I will call the function, let's say with some number, let's say 900. Okay. And after that, you can see I'm getting the final answer as 10. So in the first assignment, like the question was asked was some number, right? 2718, 2818. So that you can do it. Okay. Here also in the second question, you can just copy paste this number, the second code. This is the second code. Like this is the first code. I'll just delete it. And this is the second code. I'll run it again. And after that, they have asked some question. I'll just take h of 20 minus h of let's say 11 or something like that. So I'm calling the function here 2 times. Okay. H is the function. First, I'm calling h of 20, and for second, I'm calling h of 11, and I'm subtracting both of them. So now you can see the answer is 21. So like that, you have to copy paste these programs, and you have to run them, and then you get the answer. Like whatever the functions which are giving here, you have to run them, and you can easily get the answer. Okay, this is a online way of coding in Python, like Google Colab notebooks. You can use them and directly run your codes on online. Like you don't need to install them. But this is only like you have to use it only when you cannot install it on your computer. But there are like lot of tutorials available on YouTube how to use this notebook and all. I won't go through that. But like the most preferable way is you have to install Anaconda, or like you have to install Python on your computer, and then you use it. Okay. Okay.
Sir, how to get the assignment questions, sir?
Assignment questions, how to get?
Yes, sir.
There is a website, right? Like I told you, in the website, you can go here, like programming data structures and Python in the NPTEL website.
Okay.
On the course outline, you can see week-1 questions. Like if you click on week-1 quiz 1, you can go to this. Like this will open. Like there are the questions are there. You have to submit the answer here, right? Whatever the value which you are getting. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, in
That's
this
what-
assignment, if there will be
Yeah.
any negative marking, sir?
No negative marking here. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So We have installed this Anaconda Navigator. Okay, Anaconda Navigator. Like I have opened Anaconda. So if you go to Anaconda, you can see here there are a lot of tools which are available, but don't bother about lot of them. But you just take this. You just click this Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is a very helpful thing. Like most of the people who work on data science or something, data science related or like machine learning people, or like someone who uses Python for scientific computing, uses this.
Sir, but I am using PyCharm because 6 months back I am learning, so I am using this PyCharm one.
Yeah. That is also a very nice thing. Yeah, PyCharm is also there. Here also you can see PyCharm is also there. Like I can install here. Yeah.
I had installed in my Mac, so I'm saying.
Yeah. Whatever, like whatever is comfortable for you, you can use. For me, I use like Jupyter Notebook. So there is also like VS Code, something VS Code I use. So whatever is like easy for you, you can use. Like you can see this is Jupyter. So Jupyter is a place where you can write your Python codes. Okay. So there are a lot of already files. Like if you want to create a new folder or a new file, you can click. So here you can see I want to write a new code which is in Python 3. So I can click here. I can click here on like new Python 3 IPY kernel. So this Jupyter Notebook will use your browser, and you can run all your programs by the help of the browser itself. Like you don't need a separate app or something else. So here you can also like name your notebook, like whatever the program you are writing. Like you can name like Python example, something like this, and here you can run your code. Okay, so whatever the lines of code which you want to write, you can write here, and you can run here. Like there is an option to run. So the main advantage of me being telling you guys to go through Anaconda is like install Anaconda is like Anaconda has already pre-installed libraries of Python which are required for you. Like most of the libraries like which you use, when I say libraries, like there are a lot of things which you have to call in function, like import numpy or something. Like there are a lot of libraries which will be useful for us. No, Pramod, this is not a compulsory session. Like you can, if you want, if you have any doubts, like if you want to learn something extra, like you can learn this, like you can attend these sessions. But this is not a mandatory session to attend. Like this is just a problem solving session. Like if somebody has some question, they can join and ask. And from next week onwards, we will also, like I will also prepare some questions, like which are other than the assignment questions, but will be similar to those questions and related to that week, that we will solve and understand the course in a much more better way, rather than just the lectures and also the quizzes. Like we will take a little a better, not better, like we will try to enhance our learning with more questions and other things. Okay, so like as I said, yes.
What's the scenario for examination? It consists of MCQs or we have to write a whole program? How it's
there will be MCQs and also there will be some programming questions as well.
So we have to write all those programs in a sheet. I'm correct, sir?
No, not in a sheet. This is a computer. This will be a computer-based exam. You have to type the program there. But don't worry, these questions will not be very huge. Like you have to write a very long code. Very easy codes will be there. Like if there is a program already given, in that program, like they might ask you to write a few lines of code which completes that program. These kind of questions will be there. Like you don't need to like entirely write the program. Like this will be very easy.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Somebody else was asking some question.
Sir, where did they take the lecture videos, sir?
Lecture videos, as I've said, like you have to go through the NPTEL website. Like you have registered for the course on NPTEL Swayam website, right? On Swayam website, you can go here on Swayam. If you click on, like, if you go to swayam.go.gov.in and you log in, after you log in, you can search here for the course Python data structures, or if you have already registered for the course, you can go here. After logging in my courses, you can see the upcoming or ongoing courses. Here you can see Python data structures and algorithms using Python. And if you click here, go to the course, you can see all the details, like whatever is needed. Week 1, week 2, week 3 courses, week 2 courses are already uploaded. You can click here and watch the videos here. Okay. If you can directly
familiar with a different ID like Visual Studio, is it necessary to download
Aish,
Anaconda?
Aish, your voice was breaking. Can you say it again?
Sir, I think that if we are familiar with a different ID like Visual Studio, can we use that or do we have to use Anaconda? Like, is it necessary?
No. You can use whatever you are comfortable in. I was just trying to tell people, because Anaconda has already lot of pre-installed libraries. Like they don't want to, like if you don't want to break head installing each and every library again and again, you can use Anaconda, which already has lot of required libraries installed. That this will be easier way. That's why I was saying. But you can use like VS Code or PyCharm or some other ID, whichever you are comfortable in. You just have to write the
Sir,
program.
I
That's
have
it.
a question. Sir, I
Yeah.
have a question related to course certificate.
Yeah.
Sir, as we see that many government recruitment bodies such as IBPS Institute of Banking Personal Section demands a certificate that a candidate must have a computer knowledge or computer operation knowledge or language knowledge. Then my question is, sir, that when a candidate successful complete his course and get a certificate, then this certificate can be used in government recruitment exams.
Yeah, of course. This course certifies you. This course is like given by the government of India. Obviously, like when you can use it for various purposes, like when if there is a requirement, you can produce the certificate and you can use it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, Nikhil John, you can watch the week 1 videos. There is still time. Like you can watch the videos whenever you want. There is also a like extended deadline for week 1 assignment, which is up to February 4th of February. So still we have 1 week more. So no need to worry. The videos are like very short. You don't need to like be worried about this. Like just 4 videos are there, 20 minutes each. You can watch them.
Sir, you share the recording, no, today?
Yeah. This recording will be shared with you by midnight. Okay. You can go through. Yeah. You can go through this website on problem solving sessions. If you click here on the recording, and you will go to a link. Let's say I'm doing a Google Sheet will be there. Here, week 1 YouTube link will be pasted, and all the things will be pasted. Week 1, week 2, week 3. As the week is completed and the session is completed, for each session, YouTube link will be pasted here. You can use that link and rewatch the sessions if you want. Okay. Who have Vedant has raised his hand. Sri Bhavana has raised her hand. Do you guys have any questions? Yeah. Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. Yeah. So, Rajeshwari, as I have told, you just go to Google and search anaconda.com, okay? And in Anaconda, you can go to download, get started, log in, and download. Uh, as you can see on screen, you can go and you can download this Anaconda distribution. Okay, here you can see for Windows, there is a Windows 64-bit graphical installer. You can install this, or if you are someone who is using Mac, you can use this, or if you are someone who is using Unix, Linux, then you can use this. Okay, you can use this link, click on it, you will get a downloaded file. I think it will be, I think 500 or 600 MB, or I don't know. So you can download it. After downloading it, you run this. Okay, you run this, and as I have said, you can click here. After you have installed Anaconda on your PC, you can search here Anaconda in the start menu. You can see an Anaconda navigator. You can click here. And after you click here, you can see Anaconda navigator has all these options. Okay, don't be confused about all these things, but you can use something called a Jupyter notebook. Click launch. Okay, Jupyter notebook is a very easy way to use. That's why I'm suggesting for the beginners. Yeah. So after you launch it, something like this will be opened in your browser. Like let's say Google Chrome or some other browser. Like this is Microsoft Edge. Jupyter notebook application will be opened in the browser. Okay. So there you can create a file. New file, and you can see Python 3 is already there. You can click on Python 3, and a new file will be created like this, untitled file. If you want to rename it, you can click here and rename it whatever the name which you want to keep. And after that, you can write your program here. Okay. So after writing your program, let's say I'll write 5 plus 3 is equals to something. Okay. So 5 plus 4. So after you write your program, you just click here run, then you can see the output will be printed here. So like that, you can use it. I hope the install, like how to use Python in your computer doubt is cleared. If somebody asks, like I would suggest, if like this session I will be again uploaded on YouTube, like you can click the link again after joining. And yeah.
Will you conduct a problem solving session?
This problem solving session will be conducted week on Tuesday, 7 to 9 p.m. Okay. Swastika, don't see, everything is like an ocean. So it's like you cannot conquer the ocean at a single time. Okay. So this course is like a very great landing with all the required basic things have been covered in this course in a very good manner. How to use Python and what are the various aspects have been aspects of it, like data structures and algorithms. What are algorithms? I hope you have already watched the lecture. What is an algorithm and what is the program and what are the data structures? All those things will be taught in this course. After this, if you are some professional, like if you want to learn, let's say web design, or let's say if you are someone who want to do data analysis, additionally, you have to learn a lot of things. That for that, there are a lot of other courses are also available. So, but that will be very easy for you once you learn this course. It's not a very big task. Okay. So, Paramesh, you go through the course website and you can see problem solving session uploaded. It will be uploaded there. Okay. Yeah, somebody was asking a question.
So I was asking that what will be the complexity of the exam?
Yeah. So Aditya, the complexity is like, as I have said, like whatever the questions you are getting in assignment, okay, if you are able to solve it, that those questions, similar kind of questions will be asked in the exam. So it's not a big deal. So don't worry about it too
So,
much.
so
So
will there also be negative marking?
no negative marking.
So we will get this. How will we get the certificate?
You will be digitally getting the certificate uh, like uh, like after the result is announced you can get you will get a link, so based on that you can download the certificate with like which is digitally signed. And also I don't know, like there is also a option to get offline certificate also, I think, but that you have to inquire with that. But like you can use the digital certificate, it is equally valid as the hard copy. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Alaka, Rajivan, you can't see week 1 assignment on your dashboard. Only quiz is the week 1 assignment is the quiz. Okay, so that is the week 1 assignment. The quiz
Okay,
is the
sir.
week 1 assignment. Yeah. Mm. Okay, sir. Dashboard only the. Okay, okay. Okay. So, are there any negative marks? Negative marks? No negative marks. Yeah. So don't think too much about like if I will get the entire knowledge of Python by just doing this course. So like see, I have been using Python from past 6 years. Okay, so 6 or 7 years, but there are a few things which I still don't know, because I know only things which are required for me, which are required for my field. Okay, I'm not someone who is doing let's some data analysis. I don't know the tools which are required for data analysis in Python. I am not someone who is doing web design. I don't know the tools which are required for web design in Python. I am someone who is using Python for scientific computing. All those tools which are required for me in Python, I know them. Okay, so don't like if you are someone, but the starting point is this: like everybody who wants to learn Python has to learn all the contents which have been taught in this course. So this is a very great starting point. Like after that you can just like go to the documentation of whatever the tools which you are getting, whatever the tools which you want to use, and you can directly use them. So it's not a very difficult task. Okay, so this Telugu knows no Vinay, Telugulo classes ఉండవు, only this is English class. People have joined here from all over India, so this session will be conducted in English. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I hope we are done with these questions. uh, Anybody has any more questions to ask? Varun, Vedant, you have raised your hand. Am I audible? Yes. Okay. Uh, Somebody has asked a question. Last year, you couldn't join the string class. Can you revise the session? See, this string class, which it is already there. Vinay, you cannot do programming in mobile phone. Okay, like some like little things you can do, but this will not be like, as we go deeper into the course, mobile will not be helpful. First 2 weeks maybe probably you can do, but after that you cannot do. So last year you couldn't join the string class. Last year there is nothing like joining the, because the lectures of the classes are already available on the course NPTEL website on the course page. You can like again rewatch the lecture. So you want me to do the summary for the string class, right? All those things, strings, lists, everything are week 2 related content. This question is for week 1. In week 1, we are just introducing Python. So on 3rd of February, next week, which is next week Tuesday, I will again do a session to solve all your queries related to week 2 assignment. Okay. So then we will discuss what are strings, what are lists, everything. This session is particularly for week 1. And I am just taking all the questions related to the course logistics. So there is not like much to learn in this. Yeah. Yeah, Anubhav, sorry. I don't know like how this limit came, because like earlier I didn't have this 100 people limit. So I will upload this video by tonight midnight, like let's 11 to 11, between 11 to 12. This will be uploaded on YouTube. You can search, like you can just go to the course page. You can see problem solving session, or you can search my name, Syed Shabir IITM. In Google, you can, sorry, in YouTube, you will get my channel. There you can see the YouTube lecture. As Aditya, it will be informed to you before 1 day or 2 days. You will get the link from NPTEL, right? That there is a problem solving session for this week. So in that, the link will also be shared. Okay. Bhavana, there is nothing called good or bad. Like nothing is good, nothing is bad. It just depends on what you want and what you want to use, and like what you want to learn, and in which area you want to work in the future, let's say. But if someone is starting in programming, and if they are learning any language, let's say Python or Java or C or some other language, when you are starting, if you learn one language properly, then you can easily learn all the other languages without much trouble, because every language, the way we write the program, the instructions is similar. Only the syntax will change. When I say syntax, let's say if you want to explain something to some person, if that person is like comfortable in English, you will if you have your thoughts are clear, which means when I say thoughts, the steps to solve a problem, if that is clear, you can explain to the person. Let's say if you know English, you can clearly explain to them in English. But if you want to learn another language, let's say you want to learn French or German, but because you are someone who has already grown up and you know how to properly communicate your thoughts, if you learn the words in that language, you can clearly explain that thing to them also. Okay, so there is no much trouble in it is very easier than learning another spoken language. Like if you want to learn German, learning programming is very easy. Like if you are switching from Python to Java, because everything is English only, but just how you write commands is different. So, but I would say learn one language, but learn it properly, very in a proper way, and you can use that knowledge to switch to any other language. So there is no other thing. There is nothing called which this is best and that is best. it depends on what you are using. If you are someone like who wants to learn, like who wants to go in machine learning, data analysis, Python is the best language. If you are someone who is like doing web development or something, then Java might be good. Yeah.
Where can this course be used in the future, and how is it possible profitable?
Aryan, what are you doing?
This time I learned Python basics and completed and starting.
No.
Django.
No. What are you like? Are you a student of some
Student
engineering?
BTech.
Are you doing BTech student? In which branch?
IT.
Yeah, IT, right? So, like, if you are like going into, let's say, data analysis kind of career or like machine learning kind of career, so Python will be useful for you. And like, see, learning programming is important. It is not the language which is important. Okay. So every programming language has its own benefits, has its own use cases. So depending upon that, we choose the programming language. Okay, Python is very good for data analysis, machine learning, all these things. Let's say if you want to do web development, that will be like Java or something else will be useful, like that. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Bhavana.
Sir, after completing my BTech, I want to do the cloud computing. I want to become a cloud engineer. Is it
Yeah.
okay for me, sir?
Yeah. What was your last question?
Python, DSA is okay for that, sir.
I couldn't understand that. Can you say it again?
Actually, BTech second year, second semester, sir.
BTech?
After completing my BTech, second year, sir.
Okay. Second year? Yeah.
After completing my BTech, I want to become a cloud computing engineer, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Hmm.
For that, DSA is okay or not? It is good for that or not, sir?
I don't know much about cloud computing, but this like programming will be useful there as well. So I don't know if Python will be useful or some other thing is useful. See, whatever you do, programming you have to learn. So that's what I will say.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Niharika, yeah, I have the same answer. I have no idea about cloud computing, but you have to learn programming, and this course is a very good resource to learn programming.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I heard that DSA is important for getting high placement. How is it used in companies?
Yeah. See, DSA, data structures and algorithms. See, it is very important. Like wherever, like in whichever field you go, you will have large amount of data, and you have to like store it properly, retrieve it properly whenever it is required for you, and arrange it properly, and all this stuff will be there. Like data related stuff, like data is like it can, like if you don't arrange your data properly and use it properly, the programs which you run or like the application which you are building, which might become like very inefficient. Okay, so that's why there are a lot of data structures. Let's say list is there in Python, or string is there, or arrays are there, like different kind of like, or also like there are linked lists, lot of different data structures are there. So as you go deep into your career, like when you learn more and more, you will appreciate these things more. Like if when we go deeper into this course, you will understand how this all these things will be useful for us to write efficient codes, which don't crash, or like which don't take lot of time, or like which don't use like excessive computational demand. So we will learn all those things. Okay. Vasanti, Swayam, yes, Swayam opens on PC on your website, like on your like whatever the browser which you are using, like Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge, wherever you want to use.
Sir,
Yeah.
I asked the question because recently an IIT and Hyderabad student got a 2.5 crore package by
Yeah,
solving lead code daily problems.
Yeah. It's very good. Like, See, I hope Aryan, because like you have joined this course, I'm assuming that you are a beginner, right, in programming. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you a beginner?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this course is one of the best course available for learning programming. I'm not saying about Python or core Java or like something else. Programming, where in whichever language you learn, it is like you can learn in Java or like Python or like C or C++. But this course is a very good course, one of the best available for learning programming. But of course, we are using Python to learn programming here. Python is just a language. So this is a very good course, and this will be a very good starting point for you to learn. So rest, like you just follow the course diligently, solve all the assignments, watch all the lectures, read everything, and you will be in a very good position by the end of the course. After you complete the course, you will be like a very good uh, professional in Python. Okay, or programming. Okay, Ananya, you are asking if I have to do AI plus IoT. So, is there any roadmap or a structure while doing this course? Ananya, I would say first you learn first you complete this 8 weeks of course. If you want to go in AI or Internet of Things, all these things, whatever it is being taught in this course, are like very basic stuff, and you have to learn everything. And after that, you ask me on the like 8th week, I'll suggest you what you have to do next, like what are all the extra things you have to learn. So then you can go ahead and explore in AI and Internet of Things. Okay. Yeah, Anubhav, sorry, I didn't know it. Like this limit was not there in my account. This is my official account, like IITM's, like IIT Madras's account, and there was supposed to be no limit on the meeting, but I don't know how the limit came. So I will try to rectify this problem, and you will get notified about this from next week. Whenever you get the link, more I will be making sure that more than 100 people will be able to join. The platform might change. I might switch to Zoom or something else which allows more than 100 people. And
Hello,
yeah.
After completing this course, we will be able to solve problems in the C language also.
Yeah. C language also. Like you will be you will be able to write. Like you will see when you complete this course, you will be able to think how to talk to a computer. Okay, how to talk to a computer, how to give it instructions to solve a problem. Okay, that is the most important thing. So whenever you are like clear in explaining your steps properly to a computer, that is called an algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but how to solve a problem. That is called a recipe. Like as professor said, it is a recipe. Like do this thing first, do this thing next, do this thing, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, all these things. Okay. So after you learn Python, then you can also switch to C. Of course, the syntax will be different. When I say syntax means like commands will be different, but the steps will be same. So you will follow the same steps to solve the problem. So that is programming. Okay, language is different, but yeah, you can easily switch to C. That is not a problem. Yeah, Aaron, Suraj, I will let you know. Like I have to see if that has any limits or something. I will check that if like how much that, yeah, and I will based on the limit, whatever allows me to like go to a maximum limit, I'll share that link next week. Okay, you will get the link 1 day or 2 days before from the NPTEL team. So yeah, Pragasri, you will be able to code yourself and you'll be uh, expert in Python. Okay, so after the end of this course, you will be a very good expert in Python. Please, the only things is like solve assignments on your own without taking some help from AI or stuff. Don't take shortcuts. Learn the harder way, make mistakes, learn, and you will be expert at, in Python. So Alan, I don't know like how many marks. I'll let you know next week probably. I have to check how much you need. Will this course? We know, Vinay, I don't know, like if your university or college allows taking NPTEL courses for credits, depends on that. Okay. But yeah, it will be useful for your MCA because you are working in computer applications. Knowledge will be useful. Knowledge will not go waste. But I don't know if this certificate will be useful for your MCA course. Yeah, Niharika, it will be a very good course and it will make your logical thinking very strong. And you can like write like most of the basic codes and also some advanced level coding you can do when you complete this course. So rest assured, like you can blindly go through all the lectures, learn, solve all the assignments, and you will be very good at Python at the end of this course. Dilavi is, yes, to solve the assignments, what is your question? Uh, yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, I am currently pursuing BTech CSC.
Yeah.
I am currently in first year. I don't have much idea about anything, honestly. I am just trying to grab the knowledge around me. What should I do after this course?
What should you do after this course? So, see, there are a lot of things which you can do. Like you can go to a specific thing and learn something. Like if you want to learn web development, you can go and explore courses. There are very like where there are various courses related to web development using Python. Or you can also learn data analysis using Python. Or you can also learn machine learning using Python. So advanced, lot of advanced level stuff is available out there. You can use a Python and learn all those things. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Ananya, please, like I will guide you like whatever I can. Like you just join the session every week on Tuesday. Like if you have any doubt, query related to, like you have to be like if you ask me a specific question, like you want to do this, you want something related to this, some resource related to that, I will definitely guide you. Please don't hesitate to ask questions. Join this session whenever you can. You can also uh, you can also mail me here. I will just type my mail ID. If you have any questions related to whatever regarding your this course or something related, some other stuff also, like some guidance related to something else, you can mail me on this. Aziza, I don't know, like the world is changing very fast. AI is like rapidly changing how things, how we do things. But see that it's not like things will not change. Like if is like web development a top priority in 2020? Yeah, obviously, like there are a lot of things people are trying to build, and web development will be useful. But the thing is, like how people are working in web development will be very different. Let's say from 1 year from now. But if you want to, even like if you are like AI is taking over, but you should know, right? So just because ChatGPT is writing some answer, like I cannot just copy and paste and use that code, something which ChatGPT is generating. If let's say if you're asking ChatGPT something and it is giving an output, and if you don't know how to read it, and how like if you are not like not an expert on how to use that thing, you will be blinded, right? So you obviously when you have to read, you have to learn the ABCD, and then you have to learn the alphabet, you learn the words, and then you learn what those words mean, and then you will be like going and reading the books and doing that, right? So like let's say, see whenever these AI tools come, like people are like very afraid that AI tools are taking over. There is no use for coding in these days. All this is nonsense, because AI is like a assistant to you, and you will be the expert, okay? And as you should be the expert. If you are an expert, you will command your assistants to do your work. So AI should be an assistant to you. If you are an expert, you should know all the aspects of what your assistant is doing. You should know what the assistant is doing line by line, like whatever the work he is doing. Then only you will be you will be able to evaluate it, and you will be able to guide him properly to do the work properly. But the thing is, you are not doing the work on your own. You are delegating it to a lot of assistants. AI tools will be assistants to you. But as I said, if the expert doesn't know what the assistant is doing, then what is the use? So that will be uh, that will be a total disaster. If the expert is just saying I want this, but I like if you don't know what your assistant is doing, you will not be able to guide him and get the correct output. You will have to break your head a lot if you are not clear in your thoughts about what they are doing. So it will be like this. Like even AI is taking over. Even if AI is taking over, you should know all the things. You should know programming. You should know whatever the tools which are there, and you should be able to read the codes and tell what they are doing. So that is the thing. So don't become a slave to AI. Become an expert and use it as an assistant only. So that's what I would say. Online for create a portfolio, etc. Yeah, Anubhav, you just go through this course. Like after you go through this course, you will have some idea about Python. Then probably you will start building something. So then you can go and explore GitHub or Lead Code, or a lot of various platforms are available. You can solve various problems, or you can also build your own repositories and contribute to some open source projects which are already there. So that will be your like profile portfolio which you can build like in GitHub or somewhere else. You can create your own projects and store them there. So but this is a starting point, and we will see what we can do. Yeah. Progression is same kind of questions. The format will be same. Whatever you get in the. Oh, Sriram, I'm just asking. I'm just clarifying what the people are asking. The course related questions. I have not discussed any technical stuff. I have just told how to install Python in your PC. You can just like I will upload this video on YouTube. Like you can go through the course website. In the end, you can see problem solving session recording. You click here and you will get the recording of the session, and you can get the details of whatever has been discussed. So that's what. And I have not discussed a lot of like I have not discussed any technical stuff. But next week, surely, like whatever we discuss will be very technical stuff, and I will not be answering the course like how to access the course, how to access these videos, all these questions. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Aryan. Yeah.
Currently, I study in the tier 3 college. What path make to get high placement and as IIT and NITs?
See, if you want to go to IIT or NIT, you have to give GATE. GATE is an exam which will lead you to IIT or NIT. So I also like did my BTech in a tier 2 college, a state government university, but I ended up here after giving my GATE, and I went to MTech and then I joined my PhD. Yeah. So you have to prepare for GATE. And if
Sir, type of book to prefer, sir?
yeah, what? Shekhar?
Which type of book?
Shekhar,
GATE
can you
exam.
GATE exam?
Which type of book to prefer, sir?
Book.
Learn GATE exam.
Book. You are asking me.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You are a computer science student.
Yes, sir.
There are a lot of like I cannot say one kind of book. There are a lot of online resources available. Like you can explore. Like you will get a lot of previous year question books. You can go through them, and you can if you also go through the GATE website. There are a lot of resources related to GATE regarding your course. You can see that and explore. I am not a computer science student, so I don't know about computer science. Probably, if you ask me about civil or mechanical engineering, I can say that. But yeah, you can check on the internet. Lot of stuff is available. So, Dilaviz, sir, in this assignment, we have to put the output of this code. Yes, in first week, quiz 1 or assignment 1, you have to just put the output. Okay. So,
Sir.
Vinay, yeah, Leela, please.
Sir, I installed Anaconda and I just copied the code and I run it. But where to put the value? I'm not getting that.
You have what code you have copied?
First question of quiz, week 1 quiz.
Then you like copied the function. Then you have to call the function. Okay. Function right. Yeah, I will show you. So this is the function, right? This is the function. Okay. And you go to Jupyter Notebook, and this is your cell. Okay. Copy pasted it. Okay. Then like whenever you are running some new code, you just have to restart this kernel. Okay. There is some option called restart. Okay. Then after that, you run this function. Okay. Then after that, you want to use this function. Now I have just defined the function. Now I will use this function and again in my code wherever possible. Let's say I want to calculate f of 10. Okay.
Yes.
You have to replace x with whatever value which you want to evaluate the function for. Click run, you will get the value. Okay. Then let's say you want to run it for let's say f of 27,000. You can run it like this. Okay.
Okay,
clear?
sir. Yes.
Okay. Yes.
But sir, after running it, next cell is not coming. What to do for that?
After running it, next cell is not coming.
No, sir.
You have to see. You have to add cells here. Okay. Click on plus. You will get X. Okay. You are not getting the output. That is what you are asking.
Yeah, I was not getting the next cell.
Next
Where
cell.
to
You
put
can
the
click.
value?
Yeah. Click on plus. Okay. Click on plus. Or you can write it here also. Below this. You can click F of 12 and run it. You will get the output. Okay.
Okay, sir. Let me try.
If you want a new cell, you can click here. The plus option is there. Insert cell below.
Okay, sir.
Hope you got it. Okay. Okay. Second question, I have to subtract the value. Yes. That's what you have to do. Dilavis, that's what you have to do. Well, Vinay, the next class will be on 3rd of Feb, 7 to 9 p.m. next Tuesday. Every Tuesday we will have a class, 7 to 9 p.m. And see, Gayatri, how do you improve your logical thinking? So I would suggest you like do a lot of this quantitative aptitude, logical thinking related stuff, and also take this course or try to write the codes on your own. That will like these things will improve your logical thinking. Okay, so programming is like when you learn programming, you are basically learning how to think logically. So if you learn a programming language, obviously you will be able to think logically. So logic is nothing but step-by-step way of doing things. Like if your logic is correct, you will get correct answers. So and like additionally, as I've said, like if you want to like improve more of your logical thinking, solve a lot of aptitude-related questions. Uh, like lot of online material is there, or you can buy some book, etc. Dilaves, I didn't understand what is your question. Second question. See, second question. This is the second question, right? You have to copy it. See, the question is h of 60 minus h of 45. You have to copy it. After this, you just paste this here. Okay. Restart it. Then you run it. So then you have to like they have asked some subtraction, right? I'll just say h of 30 minus h of 6, let's say. And then you run this. You'll get some answer, right? So that is the answer you have to paste. That is the answer you have to paste here and submit. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Okay, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, in exam, do we need to calculate this by ourselves? This answer?
Let's see if your question is like very simple, like you can do it on your own. But if you are like, if the question is like very hard, let's say some complex program is there, then you will be like given, then you will be asked to write the code. Okay. Basically, these are like very easy questions, but here it was supposed to like make you run the code and like submit it. So like don't worry, like too much complex calculations will not be required. You will be asked to run the program with the complex. The exam is CBT, computer based.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. We'll stop it here for today. Thank you all for joining. Hope you also join the next week. We'll discuss like questions related to week 2. I will prepare more questions than what are there in the assignments, and we will brainstorm and try to solve them. And also, we'll take questions if you have any additional queries related to week 2. In third question, what is written for? So in this program, if you put 375 and some n value, they are asking when will you get 4. So for what value of n you will get the result of this program as 4. So that you have to get like the n value. The n value is the answer which you have to paste here. Okay. What n value, like 375 comma let's say 10. If I put 375 comma 10, I'll get the result of this function as 4, let's say. So what is that n value? That you have to put here. Think about it. Okay. 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 I hope everything is fine now. Today we can end this session. Next week again we'll join. Is there? Yeah. On Tuesday, and we will take questions related to week 2 and also week 1 because the deadline is on 4th, right? So we can discuss if you have any more questions. As I said, I will also prepare some extra questions which will enhance your programming knowledge and also improve your logical thinking and help you complete the course in a better way. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Have a great day. Good night.